friends, let's talk about a very healthy fruit known by the name of papaya, papita or pawpaw. For ages, it has been an important fruit used against various diseases and for improving the digestion in people. Green or the unripe papaya is known to be more healthy than the ripened one. It is a great source of vitamin C, E and A. Green papayas have greater amount of potassium than ripe papayas, 286 mg per 100 gram. Potassium is an important electrolyte in the blood. It helps in controlling heart rate and blood pressure, countering the effects of sodium. Potassium is a vasodilator, relieving pressure on the cardiovascular system and thereby lowering your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Green papaya contains higher value of protein digesting enzyme called papain, which help in breakdown of proteins and in fat digestion, thus helping acquire a healthy metabolism and aiding digestion. This enzyme also helps fight infection of colon and urine and improve wound healing. In fact, papain has been found to be more efficient in the breakdown of fats than pepsin, which is produced by the stomach. Research says that raw papaya has the greater amount of carotenoids compared to tomatoes and carrots. The carotenoids present in raw papaya were also found to be more easily usable by the human body compared to those found in other fruits. Carotenoids boost our immunity and some of it gets converted by our body to vitamin A, which is essential for vision, bone health and reproduction in humans. Papain, latex and dietary fiber in raw papaya acts as great cleansing agent. Raw papaya when consumed in an empty stomach clears the gastrointestinal tract and flushes out toxins. People suffering from chronic constipation should consume raw papaya in the morning to cleanse the colon naturally. In times when cancer is spreading among masses like a wildfire, any food which can prevent or reduce its symptoms should be considered a superfood. One of the fruit which comes under this category is raw papaya. Study has shown that papain's growth inhibiting effect prevents tumor spread and its ability to break down a particular protein found in all cancer cells prevents mutation of cancer cells. Papaya has been found to be very effective against hormone-triggered cancers like prostate, ovarian and breast cancer. Proteolytic enzyme papain in raw papaya may benefit nursing mothers and help increase the production of breast milk. Raw papaya can induce contractions in the uterus and relieve menstrual pain. A good facial massage using papaya is a good remedy to remove dead cells from skin. Also, lycopene present in papayas may reduce wrinkle formation in postmenopausal women. Raw papaya can be grated over salads or mixed with curd. It can also be cooked as vegetable or used as stuffing in breads, also called parathas, in India. So kindly include this amazing food item in your regular diet to benefit from it.